So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up for FLX Plus mode for the Canon Colorado using Onyx 25. So first of all, I'm starting in Illustrator, and you can see I have my file in front of me. The background is going to be printed matte, and then this design here is going to be printed in gloss. So for the background, it's just a normal color. We don't need to make any changes to that part of the job. Now for the bits that I want to be printed in gloss, you'll see that I've put them on a new layer, and I've used the spot color Spot 2, and that's capital S-P-O-T 2, all one word. Then the main part of this is we need to make sure in our attributes we have got overprint fill checked. Now I've done that, I can save that file and it's ready for me to bring into Onyx. So I'm going to go to Onyx, I'm going to open that file. Open that like that. And you can see that I'm already in my FLXfinish Plus mode, and that's just because that's what my default mode is on my printer. If I wasn't, I would need to go to my job properties or my job editor and make sure I am in that mode. Now, one of the things that shows that this has worked straight away is the fact that the design on the inside of this is no longer a magenta color, it is now blue. So that shows that this is actually working and it's going to be ready to go. I'm going to go into my job editor though, because I want to show what it looks like in our job editor as well. Let's go to close. So I'm going to go to my color correction tab, and then tools in here I've got my named replacements, and you can see that I've got Spot 2 in there already. But I could also go to my spot layer tool, and I could actually pick out something in this, and I could actually make that into Spot 2 if I wanted to. But you can see straight away that's worked really nicely. So I'm going to go to print and submit, and then that file is ready to go. So that's how we create an FLXfinish Plus job for Onyx 25 and our Canon Colorado printer.